Hi, this is Pam Rodgers coming to you today from 1194 North Monroe in San Jose. We are only 4.5 blocks from Valley Fair and Santana Row. You can walk right there. Santa Clara University in downtown is to my right. Look at this gorgeous tree-lined street. It's a really stunning neighborhood, centrally located, huge yard on the side, room for barbecuing in the back. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, $1,450,000, and we are the cheapest price per square foot on the market today. We are priced at $619 for this 2,341 square foot home. It was built in 1990, so it's relatively new, high ceilings, gorgeous architecture. Give me a call. Happy to show you the home virtually or in person. You can reach me at 408-621-5646. Give a call. Market is red hot.